Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into a topic that many moms-to-be are curious about: exfoliating during pregnancy.
Your skin goes through so many changes during this magical time, and I'm here to help you navigate how to care for it safely and effectively.
So, if you're ready for glowing, healthy skin, keep watching.
During pregnancy, hormonal changes can lead to dry skin, acne, or even dark patches known as melasma. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal smoother, brighter skin underneath.
It's also a great way to boost circulation and give your skin a little extra love during this special time. But here's the thing, not all exfoliators are pregnancy safe. So let's talk about what to use and what to avoid.
First, let's talk about chemical exfoliators. While some common ingredients like salicylic acid or retinoids aren't recommended during pregnancy, there are gentle alternatives that are perfectly safe, like lactic acid and glycolic acid. These can help renew your skin without any harm to you or your baby.
If you prefer something more natural, look for scrubs made with sugar, oatmeal, or coffee grounds. These provide gentle physical exfoliation without harsh chemicals. Here are some tips to keep in mind.
Be gentle, avoid aggressive scrubbing. Your skin may be more sensitive during pregnancy. Exfoliate 1-2 times a week. Over-exfoliating can lead to irritation. Moisturize afterward. Lock in hydration with a nourishing, pregnancy-safe moisturizer or oil. Avoid harsh areas. Skip sensitive areas like the belly if your skin feels tight or itchy. Always patch test new products to ensure they don't cause a reaction.
For all my DIY lovers out there, here's an easy, pregnancy-safe exfoliator you can make at home. 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix it up, apply it in gentle circular motions, and rinse with warm water. It's hydrating, soothing, and completely safe for pregnancy.
Exfoliating during pregnancy is a wonderful way to pamper yourself and take care of your changing skin. Just remember to choose gentle, pregnancy-safe options and listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more pregnancy and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.